Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 29th of October in second shift. So we will start from class 7th and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. Question number 1. In question number 1, there is a figure and a case is given. Ram went to school on bicycle with the average speed of 20 km per hour. He saw that the school is closed and came back to home from the same path with average speed of 30 km per hour. That means from home to school, let's say its speed is V1, that is 20 km per hour. And from school to home, let us assume his speed is V2, that is 30 km per hour. Okay, so we have to calculate the average speed of Ram for total journey. So when velocities are given and time is not given here, then the formula to calculate average speed, V average is equals to 2V1 V2 upon V1 plus V2. Putting values, V average is equals to 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 30 divided by 20 plus 30. From here we get V average is equals to 2 into 20 multiplied by 30 divided by 50. Okay, so from here 0 is cancelled by this 0. Okay, then it becomes 4 to the 8 and 8 3 is the 24. That means option B is our correct answer. Okay, next question. Next question is, which of the following is a scalar? Which of the following is a scalar physical quantity? Okay, as we know that velocity, acceleration and displacement are vector quantities, all possess direction, but distance has only magnitude, so it is a scalar physical quantity. So correct answer is option A. Next question, question number 3. The value of 10 degrees centigrade temperature in Fahrenheit and Kelvin scales are. Okay, so we have to convert this 10 degrees centigrade into Fahrenheit and then Kelvin. So to convert centigrade into Fahrenheit, the formula is F is equals to value in centigrade multiplied by 9 upon 5 plus 32. Okay, let us put the value 9 multiplied by 10 divided by 5 plus 32. From here we get 9 to the 18 plus 32, which is equals to 50 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so as we can see in option A and as we can see only in option B it is 50 given. So let us check also for Kelvin. So for converting 10 degrees centigrade into Kelvin, so there is a formula to convert the values in Kelvin from centigrade. K is equals to, which is approximately 273. Okay, exact value is 273.15, but for round figure I am writing it 273 plus C. So from here we get value 273 plus 10, which becomes equal to 283 Kelvin. So our correct answer is option B. Next question, question number 4. Fastest mode of heat transfer is. As we know that the fastest, there are 3 modes, conduction, convection and radiation, and out of these 3 modes, radiation is the fastest mode of heat transfer, as the light coming from sun is in the form of radiation and it is the fastest mode of heat transfer. Okay, so C is our correct answer. Question number 5, we have to check which statement is true and which is false. Okay, so in question number 5, let us check first statement. For a moving body, distance is always positive because distance does not possess any direction. So this statement is absolutely true. For a moving body, displacement can be positive, negative and 0. Yes, if body completes one complete round, then displacement becomes 0. Okay, if direction of the motion is reversed, then displacement is become negative. Okay, so this statement is also true. Acceleration is the change in velocity per unit time. It is the definition of acceleration. So it is also a true statement. So all three are true. So our correct answer is option B. Next question number 6. We have to match the column 1 with column 2. As we know that thermometer is related to temperature. It is used to measure temperature. So for P, I will write 2. Okay. So for thermometer P, I will write 2. Insulators. We know that wool and plastic are insulators. So for insulator Q, I will write 3. Conductors. Metals are good conductors. So I will write 1. So correct code is 231. So 231, that is option D is our correct answer. Next question, question number 7. In question number 7, a graph is given here between velocity and time. And it is asked, according to velocity time graph, the magnitude of car's maximum acceleration in meter per second square during the motion is. As we know that at this instant, the velocity is constant. That means for this part of motion, acceleration is 0. From this point, from 0 to 10 meter per second, the velocity is increasing. That means acceleration is positive. And from 10 to 0 again, the velocity is decreasing. That means in this case, we will say it deceleration. So let us check for both parts and we'll find for which the acceleration is maximum. From here we can see the final velocity is v and initial is 0. So change in velocity is 10 minus 0 divided by time taken is 5. So we'll get answer 2 meter per second square. Similarly, for this point, the final is 0 and initial is 10 divided by time taken is from 10 to 15, it is 5. So it will become minus 2. So for this, from this we can conclude the maximum value of acceleration will be 2 meter per second square. That is option A. Okay. Next, we have discussed all the questions of physics subject. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad like award ceremony, result, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Now we will discuss the chemistry portion of class 7. Let's see the question. The question is, what is the scientific name of mulberry tree? Options are, option A is Menzifera indica, option B is Morus alba, option C is Desmodium gyrans, and the option D is alpaca. Let's see the options. Menzifera indica. Menzifera indica is the scientific name of mango. Desmodium gyrans is also a plant which is known as a dancing plant. Alpaca is an animal and the Morus alba is the scientific name of mulberry tree. So the option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The question is, which of the following material is or are used for clothing in ancient times? The options are A, animal skins, option B is leaves, option C is vines, and option D is all of this. So the right option for this question is all of this, because we know that in the ancient times, the animals' skins, leaves, vines, furs, these substances are used by the ancient people for making their clothes. So the option D is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, which one of the following is not a breed of sheep? Options are, option A is Murha, option B is Marwari, option C is Lohi, and option D is Bakharwal. We know that the B, D and C all are the breeds of sheep, but actually Muraha is a breed of buffalo. So which one of the following is not a breed of sheep? So Marwari, Bakharwal and Lohi, these all are the breeds of sheep. So the B, D and C are the wrong option, and the A, which is the breed of buffalo, is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The question is, which of the following statement is or are true or false. Let's see the statements. First statement is acids are sour in taste. Yes, this is a completely right statement because we know that there are the two types of the substances, acid and bases. Acids are sour in the taste and bases are bitter in the taste. So the option first, or we can say the statement first, is the right statement. Now let's see the next. Next statement is H2SO4 is acidic in nature. Yes, H2SO4 is acidic in nature. This is also a true statement because we know that the substances which release H positive ions are known as the acids, and H2SO4 releases H positive ions in aqueous medium. So because of that, it's acidic in nature. Now let's see the next statement. Calcium hydroxide is used for whitewashing of buildings. This is also a true statement because we know that the calcium oxide, when react with water, then it forms calcium hydroxide, and this calcium hydroxide used for the whitewashing of buildings, and after that calcium hydroxide also converted into calcium carbonate with the reaction of carbon dioxide. So the all the three statements are true statements. So the option B, true, true and true. So option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. In column first, P is strong acid, Q is strong base, and R is table salt. In the column second, first is NaCl, second is HCl, and third is NaOH. Let's see the options. NaCl. We know that NaCl is a salt which is formed by the combination of acid and base, and the NaCl which is known as the table salt also. So the first goes with R option, table salt. Now let's see the next one. The next one is HCl. HCl is known as the hydrochloric acid, and this hydrochloric acid releases the H positive ion in the aqueous medium, and the amount of release of H positive ion is much more. We can say the pH value of hydrochloric acid is less than 7. So because of that, it is known as the strong acid. So HCl is a strong acid. Now let's see the NaOH. NaOH is also known as the sodium hydroxide or caustic soda, and it releases OH negative ion. So because of that, it's known as a strong base, and it is completely ionized and releases OH negative ion very frequently. So because of that, it's known as a strong base. So P goes with second, Q match with third option, and R match with first. So 2, 3, 1 means option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The question is, an olfactory indicator is defined as a substance whose smell varies when it is mixed with an acidic or basic solution. Example, onion, clove oil, etc. Onion is an olfactory indicator where it has two distinct smell in presence of acid and base. Onion is acid retain its smell, normal smell, and onion in the presence of a basic solution loses its smell. What is the nature of onion? We know that there are the different type of the indicators, like generally indicators are of the three types: natural indicator, synthetic indicator, and olfactory indicators. So the onion, clove oil, these are the olfactory indicators. The pH value of the onion is around 5.3 to 5.86. So because of that pH value, onion is acidic in nature. So let's see the options. Option A is acidic, option B is basic, option C is both A and B, and option D is none of this. So the option A is the right option for this question. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for biology portion for class 7th. Let's start. First question for biology. The annual record of long-term average temperature and rainfall at a particular place is known as. Annual record. At a particular place. Humidity? No. Climate chart? That is right. Weather? No. Weather forecasting? No. Climate chart is the right option for average temperature and rainfall for maintain annual record. Next question. Maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, when the sun rise, when the sun set, in the evening. No, in the afternoon. In the afternoon, maximum temperature of the day. So right option is option A. Next one. Generally nocturnal, large padded feet, less sweating, mechanism of conserve water are adaptive feature of animal living in. Nocturnal, large padded. Polar? No. Tropical? No. Desert? Right. Large padded feet, less sweating, because there are water, less sweating because mechanism to conserve water. So desert region is the right answer for this condition. Next one is tiny pores present on the surface of leaves through which gas exchange occur are called. Tiny pores at the surface of leaf. Small pore, guard cell, food holes and gas holes. No. Stomatal pore is the tiny pore that help in transpiration and gas exchange. Option A is the right for 17th. 18th. Which of the following statement is true or false? First, digestion of starch start in the stomach. That is wrong statement. Wrong statement, false. The tongue help in mixing of food with saliva. That is right. True. Ruminant bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. That is right. So, false, true, true. False, true, true. Option B is the right for these statements. Option B is the right. Next one. Match the column first and second. Salivary gland help in saliva secretion. So, third. Third is the right. Small intestine where digestion is completed. And bile juice secretion by liver and storage in gall bladder. So, third, 1 and 2. Third, 1 and 2. Option C is the right for this question. Next one. Photosynthesis, autotrophic process, is the process in which solar energy is trapped by chlorophyll to convert carbon dioxide and water into food to form glucose, C6, H12 and O6. It is produced in plant where chlorophyll is present inside the chloroplast, stroma and grena. As trapping the solar energy initiate the process. During the process of photosynthesis, which one of the following is released as a byproduct? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Byproduct. Then CO2 is used, but C6H12O6 plus oxygen. So, oxygen is the right answer. Option A. Option A for 20th question. These are the solution for biology.
Hello everyone. Continuing the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper for class 7, here I am to solve part 4, that is of mathematics. So let's begin with the first solution of this part, that is question number 21. So here in this question number 21, we have to look at the number line shown below. So here it is a number line and it is asked that which of the following statements is not true. So here we have to find out the statement which is not true. Let's solve it and find out the correct answer. First of all, we are going to write down all the integers in the number line so that we can find out the correct answer. Now let's solve option A. A minus E. A is 3 minus value of E is negative 4. So here 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So option A is having the correct value. Now next is option B. Value of D is minus 6 minus value of C is 5. So here minus 6 minus 5 is equal to minus 11. So this is also correct. Now option C is B plus F equal to 8. The value of B is 6 plus value of F is minus 2. That is equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So the answers are different. Here, let's solve the last D option also. Value of C is 5. Value of E is minus 4 plus 1. That is equal to B minus F. The value of B is 6. Value of F is minus 2. So here, 5 minus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2. So D option is also correct. Now, according to the question, we have to find out the incorrect statement. So here, option C is the correct answer according to the question because the answers of these two are different. So here, option C is the correct answer. Now, the next question is question number 22. What should be multiplied by minus 12 in order to get 180? So we have to multiply a number. So let the number be x. That is going to multiply by minus 12 and it gives 180. So x is equal to negative 180 by 12. After cancellation, we will get negative 15. So the value of x is minus 15. Here, option B is the correct answer. Now, the next question is question number 23. Let's solve it. 42 minus plus 152 minus 9 plus 39 minus 45 minus 28 minus 85. Let's solve this first. So here the answer is 66 after solving the expression. So here option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 24. Which number gives the same result when added to 1 upon 2 and when multiplied by 1 upon 2? So here what we have to do, we have to find out the number. So let the number be x. When added to, it means we have to add x 1 by 2 and the result are same. So equal to x multiplied by 1 by 2. Let's calculate. So we get x equal to 3 after solving this equation. So here option B is the correct answer, that is 3. Now the next question is simplify. Let's simplify it and find out the correct answer. After dividing this, we get 1 plus, after dividing this, we also get 1 here. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So here we get the answer 5 upon 12 after simplifying this. So according to options, we can see that option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 26. In this question, we have to find which of the following has the largest value. So here we have to find out the largest value. So let's solve the first option. Here 32 upon 0.05 is equal to 640. So after solving 32 upon 0.05, we get 640. Here we get 0.0064. In option C, we get 64, and in option D, we get 0.064. So here out of these 4 options, the largest value is in the option A. So here option A is the correct answer. So here the next question is, the weight of 9 girls in kg of a group are 40, 46, 41, 36, 41, 37, 36, 35, 36. So here let's arrange this observation in the ascending order. So after arranging the data in the ascending order, we get 35, 36, 36, 36. So here we have written 35, 36, 36 again. Then we have 37. Next we have 40. Then we have 41, 41. Last one is 46. So after arranging the data in the ascending order, let's count the number of observation we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we have total number of observation, that is equal to 9. So here the mode is, this is 3 observations. So mode is 36. Let's find out the median. Median for odd observation is n plus 1 upon 2. So here the observation is 9 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 10 upon 2. So 5th observation. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here median is 37. Now mean. So mean is sum of all observation upon total number of observation. So we have to add them all, and after adding we get 348 upon 9. That is 38.66. So let's arrange them in a proper order so that we can easily find out the correct option. So here mode is 36, median is 37 and mean is 38.66. So the smallest value is mode, then median, and the last one is mean. So this is the ascending order: mode, median and mean according to the values. So let's check the correct answer. Mode, median, mean is in the ascending order, and if it is asked for the descending order, then the sequence will start from the mean, median and mode. Let's check the answer. Here, out of these four options, we have option C, the correct answer. Let's start the next question. Question number 28. The mean of P, Q and R is 14. Here mean is given to us. That is P, Q and R is equal to 14. Twice the sum of Q and R is 30. So here we are having twice of Q plus R is equal to 30. It means Q plus R is 15. That is given to us. Then find P is equal to. So here we have to find the value of P. Now let's place the values in the formula of mean is equal to sum of all observation upon total number of observations. So mean is given to us, that is 14. P plus Q plus R upon 3. Now here 14 multiplied by 3 is equal to P. In place of Q plus R, we are going to place the value of Q plus R, that is 15. So here P So here the value of P is 27. So option D is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. In the next question, which of the following set of data has same mean, median and mode? So here we have to find out of these four options, which set of data is having the same mean, mode and median. So here first we will going to find out the mode, then median, and then at the end, if necessary, only then we will going to find out the mean. So in the first set, let's arrange it in the ascending order. This 3, last one is 6. So it is total 7 observation. Here also we are going to arrange them all in the ascending order. Now, let's find out the mode first in option A, B, C and D. For option A, the mode is 4, median is 4 and the mean is, we have to calculate the sum of all the observations here and we will get 28 upon 7, that is equal to 4. So here mode, median and mean is same, that is 4, 4 and 4. Now let's check the next option also. In option B, we have mode 3, median 3. So here the sum of observation is 28 upon 7. That is equal to 4. So here the answer is different. Now let's check option C. Here mode is 2, median is 2 and the mean is 17 upon 7. Now the next fourth one is here mode is 4, median is 4 and the mean is 25 upon 7. So here out of these 4 options, we have option A, the correct answer. In question number 30, the value of a variable which satisfies an equation is called its solution. So here option A is the correct answer. Now here the next question is question number 31 and we have to solve for x. Now let's calculate. So the value of x is 1. So after the solution we get value 1. Here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 32. In 10 years, A will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago. If at present A is 9 years older than B, the present age of B is. So here we have to find out the present age of B. So let the present age of B be x. So here age of B is equal to x and age of A is equal to, if at present A is 9 years older than B, it means that age of A is x plus 9. So according to question, let's make the equation x plus 9 plus 10, because we are talking about the 10 years, is equal to A will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago. So here 2 multiply by x minus 10. Let's solve it. X plus 19 is equal to 2x minus 20. So the age of B is 39 years. Here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 33. The sum of 7 consecutive numbers is 175. What is the difference between thrice the smallest number and twice the largest number? So here we have to find out the difference between thrice the smallest number and twice the largest number. Let's write down first the consecutive numbers. Here the first number is x, second one is x plus 1, next one is x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5, and the last one is x plus 6. So here these are the consecutive numbers and the sum of 7 consecutive number is 175. So after addition, we get the sum of these numbers, that is 7x plus 21 equal to 175. So here let's find out the value of x. So here the value of x is 22. Now we have to find out the difference between thrice the smallest number and twice the largest number. So let's find out the difference according to question. Here thrice the smallest number is 3x. Difference is minus, and twice the largest number. Largest number is x plus 6. Let's calculate. So here the difference between thrice the smallest number and twice the largest number is 10. So according to question, option C is the correct answer. Now let's start with the question number 34. In the given figure, PQ, RS and TU are 3 straight lines intersecting each other at O. If y is thrice of x, then the value of y is. It means we are having y is equal to 3x. So in place of y, we can place 3x also. So here y is written. So here we can write 3x also, and this is a vertically opposite angle. So this we can write down as 3x. So here we have to find out the value of y. So to find out the value of y, let's find out the value of x first. Here PQ is a straight line. So according to straight line, let's calculate the value of x. Here x plus 3x plus 50 is equal to 180. So here 4x is equal to 180 minus 50. X is equal to 130 upon 4. So here the value of x is 32.5. We have to find out the value of y. Y is, so here we are going to put the value of x here, 32.5. Here after multiplication we will get 97.5. So the value of y is 97.5 degree. According to option, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now let's start the next question, that is question number 35. Two angles, angle ABC and DEF, angle ABC and DEF, this is angle 2, are such that AB parallel to EF, AB is parallel to EF and BC parallel to DE, this DE and this is BE. So BC parallel to DE as shown in the figure. Then which of the following statement is correct? So here we have to find out the correct statement. To find out the correct statement, we have to check the first option first. Here angle ABC is equal to DEF. ABC is equal to DEF. So this angle is not equal. Why? Because according to the parallel line concept, if line BC is parallel to ED and EF is a transversal, then angle DEG is equal to angle EGB because of alternate interior angles. So here this angle 2 is equal to angle 2 here because of alternate interior angle. So according to this rule, these two angles are not equal. So first statement is false. Next we have angle ABC plus angle DEF. DEF is equal to 90 degree. This statement is also not true. Next is angle ABC plus DEF. ABC and DEF is equal to 180 degree. So here we have to find out the angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 or not. So here we can take the help of this parallel line concept here. AB is parallel to EF. And if these two lines are parallel and BG is a transversal here, then angle 1 and angle 2 are co-interior angles. And according to co-interior angle, the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. So according to the concept, we can say that option C is the correct statement. So here, option C is the correct answer. Now let's start the next question. Question number 36. In which of the following cases is the line L not parallel to the line M? So here we have to find out in which option line L is not parallel to line M. Let's find out. In option A, this is 58, and if this angle is 58, then this angle is also 58 if line L is parallel to M. And according to the straight line rule, 58 plus 122 equal to, so it is 180 degree. It means this L is parallel to M. Now in the next we are having, this is 145. This is 145 according to the corresponding angle. Then 145 plus 45. This will give us 190 degree. So this is not making a parallel line. So here option B is the correct answer. Now let's check the next options also. This is 99. So according to the parallel line rule, this also, this angle is also 99. 99 plus 81 is 180 degrees. So this is also a parallel line, and according to this, here it is 65. 65 is vertically opposite angle, that is 65. It means only option B is not following the rules of parallel line concept. So here option B is the correct answer. Now the next is question number 37. When two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then each of the following pairs of angles are equal except. So here we have to find out of these four options according to parallel lines, which pair of angles are not equal. So here corresponding angles, we have alternate interior angle also, we have equal alternate exterior angle also there, and the last option is co-interior angles. So here except co-interior angle, all the rest angles are equal, because in co-interior angle we have sum of two interior angles equal to 180 degrees. So here option D is the correct answer. Now let's solve next question, question number 38. In the given figure, PST is an isosceles triangle. Here it is PST. This is an isosceles triangle. It means these two angles are equal. QPR is a right angle triangle. Here it is QPR. This is a right angle triangle. NQP and PRS. NQP and PRS are equilateral triangles. Now it means NQP, this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree because this is an equilateral triangle, and the next one is PRS. So this is also 60 degree, and next is 60 degree. Our equilateral triangle, angle PST is 45. If this is 45 degree, then this is also 45 degree. PQR, this is 52 degree. Then the value of X is, we have to find out the value of X, this value. So here we know that a complete angle is 360 degree. So here we have 60 degree, here it is 90 degree, it is 60 degree, the value of P is unknown to us. So here with the help of angle sum property of triangle, we will find out the value of P. In this triangle, 45 plus 45 is 90, 180 minus 90 is 90. So angle P is also 90. So according to complete angle, to find out the value of X, what we are going to do? We will add them all. X plus 60 plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 equal to 360 degree. So these are the 5 angles. Now X plus 90 plus 90 is 180, 60 plus 60 is 120 degree, 360 minus 300, here the value of X is 60 degree. So the value of X is 60 degree. Here in option D is 60 degree. So according to the question, option D is the correct answer. Now let's solve the next question, question number 39. In a triangle ABC, if AB plus BC is equal to 10 centimeter and BC plus CA is equal to 12 centimeter, CA plus AB is equal to 16 centimeter, then find the sum of the length of its sides. So here we have to find out the sum of its length. Means this is a triangle. This is A, B, C. So we have to find out the sum of the length of its side. Means AB plus BC plus AC. So we have to find out the parameter of this triangle. Now let's take the help of this. By adding this, we get 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, that is equal to 10 plus 12 plus 16. Here it is AB, AB. So we have 2AB. Here it is 2BC and here it is 2CA. So after taking common, we get AB plus BC plus CA, that is equal to 38. So here AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 38 divided by 2, that is equal to 19. So here 19 centimeter is the correct answer. Option A. So here according to question we can say that option A is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question, question number 40. The length of the sides of a certain triangles are given below. Which of the following is a right triangle? So here we have to find out of these four options which option is correct for the right angle triangle. So here what we have to do for the right angle triangle, we have to use the Pythagoras theorem property. So here Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So we will going to solve option A first. Option A is hypotenuse will be 7 square, then 4 square plus 5.2 whole square. If LHS is equal to RHS, only then we can say that the following measurements are of right triangle. So it is 49, 16 plus, so here we get so LHS is not equal to RHS, it means option A is not correct. The next one is B option. Here we have square of 4 is equal to 3.2 whole square plus 2.4 whole square, means so here LHS is equal to RHS as 16 is equal to 16. So here option B is the correct answer. So in the same way we can solve C option also, and we can check that whether LHS is equal to RHS. So here option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 41. Which of the following statement is true or false? So here out of these three statements we have to find out which statement is true and which statement is false. So the first statement is the sum of an integer and its opposite is always 0. So the first statement is true. For example, the sum of an integer means 2 plus its opposite is always 0. The second statement is the product of an integer and its opposite is always 0. This statement is false. Example is 2 multiplied by its opposite, that is equal to minus 4. So this statement is false. The next third statement is when two positive integers are subtracted. Let's take 3 minus 2. Their difference is always a positive integer. So here the difference is 1, and if we subtract 3 from 2, then we get answer minus 1. So here it is not always correct. So here the answer is false. So the correct sequence is true, false, false. Here option A is the correct answer. Now question number 42 is, here in this question we are having three statements and we have to find out which statement is true and which statement is false. So let's start with the first statement. The product of 7 and 3, 6 upon 4 is 31, 1 upon 2. Let's solve it. 7 multiplied by 3, 6 upon 4 can be written as 18 upon 4. And after doing it in the lowest form, we get 9 upon 2. So 7 multiplied by 9 upon 2 is 63 upon 2 and this can be written as 31 1 upon 2. So first statement is true. Now the second statement is all fraction can be expressed as a mixed fraction. So this statement is false because all fraction cannot be expressed as mixed fraction. Here only improper fraction can be expressed as mixed fraction because in improper fraction numerator is greater than denominator. So this statement is false. Third statement is 1 is only positive number which is its own reciprocal. So here this third statement is true. Now the sequence is true, false and true. Let's check the sequence. True, false, true is in the A option. So here according to the question, option A is the correct answer. The next question is question number 43. Again in this question we have to find out which statement is true and which statement is false. Now the first statement is if ABC is a triangle, right angle at B. This is A, B, C. Then hypotenuse will be AC. Yes, the hypotenuse is AC because it is just opposite to the 90-degree angle. So here first statement is true. Next is the acute angles of a right triangle are complementary. Yes, this statement is also true because in a triangle we follow angle sum property, that is the sum of all the angles is 180 degree. If one angle is 90 degree, then the sum of rest of the two angles is complementary. The third statement is the altitude of a triangle always lie in its interior. No, this statement is false because altitude of a triangle not always lie in the interior, because in case of obtuse angle, altitude may or may not be lie in the interior. So here it is false. Now the sequence is true, true, false. So here out of these four options, the correct option is option D. Now let's solve next question, question number 44. In question number 44, we have match column 1 with column 2. So here in column 1, we have for any two integers a and b, a multiplied by b is also an integer, thus the integers are. So this is closed under multiplication. So we have to match with the correct properties. Here the next is for any two integers a and b, a multiplied by b is equal to b multiplied by a. Thus integers are commutative under multiplication. Now the next is for any three integers a, b and c, a multiplied by b plus c is equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. Thus integers are distributive under addition and multiplication. So here the sequence is 1, 2 and 3. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 45. This is also match the column. Here 3.04 plus 2.13 minus 0.17 gives us 5. Now the next is product of 0 and 2, 3 upon 5 is 0 because any number multiplied by 0 gives us 0. Next is reciprocal of 1 is 1. The sequence is 2, 3, 1. So here the correct answer is option B, that is 2, 3, 1. Now let's solve the next question, that is question number 46. Here we have to find out the value of the unknown variable. So let's find out. Here the first one is 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 2x minus 1. So here the value of p is 17 upon 4. Now the next value. So the value of y is minus 51. And the next value is 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 upon 5. So the correct sequence is 3, 2, 1. Here 3, 2, 1 is the correct answer. Now the next question is, that is based on the paragraph. A group of students is learning about the properties of angles and the concepts of line. During their study session, they encountered the following scenario. In their classroom, there is a wall with a vertical line drawn on it. The line is intersected by a horizontal line. Means, vertical line is intersected by a horizontal line, forming 4 angles. The student observed the following. The angle formed at the top left corner is acute. Means, top left corner is acute. Next is, the angle formed at the top right corner is obtuse. Here it is. Obtuse angle. The next is, the angle formed at the bottom left corner is right angle. So bottom left is a right angle. So here, based on this information, the students were asked to analyze the angles formed by the intersecting lines. Answer the following questions correctly. Now the question 47 is, the acute angle formed at the top left corner measures. So the measurement of acute angle is less than 90 degree. So here option B is the correct answer. Now the next question based on the same paragraph is, the right angle formed at the top left corner measures. So the measurement of right angle is 90 degrees. So here option A is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question, and the next question is, read the below diagram and answer the following. So here we are given with a bar graph. Now based on this bar graph, we have to answer question number 49. Here the question number 49 is, which is the highest peak? So here we have to find out which is the highest peak in the given diagram. So here this is 8,800. So highest peak is E. Here option B is the correct answer. Now the last question of this part, that is question number 50. Write the ratio of the heights of highest peak and the lowest peak. So we have to find out the ratios. So here the ratios are, highest peak is 8,800 and the lowest peak is 6,000. So after cancellation, we get 22:15. So here option A is the correct answer. I hope you all understood all the solutions of this part. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 7th reasoning conducted on 29 October 2023 in shift 2nd. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. Question number 51. Find the next term. So find the next term of the given number series. So series is 3, 13, 39, 89, 171, and find the next number of this series. So first find the pattern of this series. So pattern of this series is 3 plus 10, it means 13. Now 13 plus 26, it means 39. Now 39 plus 50, it means 89. Now 89 plus 82, it means 171. So now next is 171 plus. So this difference is not in a suitable order. Then find the difference of the given difference. So if 10 plus 16, it means 26. Now 26 plus 24, it means 50. Now 50 plus 32, it means 82. So plus 8, now again plus 8, it means 82 plus 40. 82 plus 40, it means 122. So plus 122. So next term is 171 plus 122. So here 293. So 293 is the next term of the given series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is series is 10, 15, 24, 37, 54 and 75. Find the next number of the given number series. So first find the pattern of the equation. So pattern of the equation is 10 plus 5, it means 15. Now 15 plus 9, it means 24. Now 24 plus 13, it means 37. Now 37 plus 17, it means 54. So 54 plus 21, it means 75. So plus 5 plus 4, it means 9. 9 plus 4, it means 13. 13 plus 4, it means 17. 17 plus 4, it means 21. So similarly, plus 4. 21 plus 4, it means 25. 25. So next term is 75 plus 25, it means 100. So 100 is the next term of the given series. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 53. Choose the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete this series. So series is AM, BODR, GV, and find the next alphabet term. So first taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of each term is A, B, D, G, and next is missing. So position of A in English alphabet is 1, position of B in English alphabet is 2, position of D in English alphabet is 4, Z means 7. So pattern is plus 1, now plus 2, 1 plus 1 it means 2, 2 plus 2 it means 4, now 4 plus 3 it means 7, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, similarly plus 4, adding 4, 7 plus 4 it means 11, so 11 means K. So K is the first alphabet of the missing term. Now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of each term is M, O, R, V, and next is missing. So position of M in English alphabet is 13, O means 15, R means 18, V means 22. So pattern is 13 plus 2 it means 15, now 15 plus 3 it means 18, now 18 plus 4 it means 22. So pattern is plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, now adding plus 5. So 22 plus 5 it means 27. So 27, we have only 26 alphabet. So here 27 means restart the alphabet. So 27 it means A, 28 it means B, 29 it means C, 30 it means D, and so on. So 27 it means A. So second alphabet of the missing term is A. So missing term is KA. So KA is the missing term of the given letter series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 54. Point F is 10 meter to the south of E. Point G is 3 meter to the east of F. Point H is 5 meter to the south of G. Point I is 6 meter to the west of H. Point J is 10 meter to the north of I. Point K is 6 meter to the east of J. Point L is 5 meter to the north of K. Which of the following represents the direction of point G with respect to point J? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is east, this is south, this is north, this is west, and this is south. This is northeast, and there are 4 types of cardinal direction. One is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. So according to question, point F is 10 meter to the south of E. So here is point E and here is point F. Because point F is 10 meter to the south of point E. Point F is 10 meter south of E. Now next is point G is 3 meter to the east of F. Point G is 3 meter to the east of point F. So here is G. Now point H is 5 meter to the south of G. H is 5 meter south of point G. Now here is H. Now next is point I is 6 meter to the west of S. Point I is to the 6 meter west of H. So here is I. Value of this line is 3 and value of this line is 6 meter. Now point J is 10 meter to the north of I. Point J is 10 meter north of point I. So here is J. Point K is 6 meter to the east of J. Point K is 6 meter to the east of point J. So here is K. Point L is 5 meter to the north of K. Point L is to the 5 meter to the north of K. So here is point L. So according to diagram, which of the following represent the direction of point G with respect to point J? G, F, G will not be in the same line because value of this line is 5 and value of this line is 10. These two lines are not equals. So that means G, F, G will not be in the same line. So where is G? So position of G is to the southeast, of point J. Point J is to the southeast. This is the east of J and this is the south of J. So where is point G? So point G is to the southeast of point J. So correct answer is option A. So correct answer is option A. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 55. If multiply stands for addition, now divide stand for subtraction, plus stands for multiplication, and then minus stand for division. So then find the value of the given expression. So expression is 20 multiply by 8 divided by 8 minus 4 plus 2. Find the value of given expression. So according to question, 20. Now multiply means plus 8. Now divide means minus 8. Minus means divide 4. Plus means, so meaning of plus is multiply. So multiply by 2. So using BODMAS rule in this expression, so first divide the numbers. So 20 plus 8 minus 8 divided by 4, it means 2. Multiply by 2. And then multiply the numbers. 20 plus 8 minus 4 into 2. 2 into 2, it means 4. So 20 plus 8 minus 4, it means 4. So 20 plus 4, it means 24. So 24 is the value of the given expression. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 56. In a row of student, Mohan is at 10 place from right end and Sohan is at 25 place from left end. When they interchange their position, then Mohan becomes 22nd from right end. What is the new position of Sohan from left end? So in a row, and according to question, position of Mohan from the right is 10, please. So this is the right side of the row and this is the left side of the row. So according to question, Mohan is 10 place from the right end and Sohan is 25 place from the left end. So here is Sohan. Sohan is at 25 place from the left end. If when they interchange their position, so here is Sohan and here is Mohan. So if they interchange their position, so here is Mohan and now here is Sohan. Then Mohan becomes 22nd place from the right end. So Mohan becomes 22nd place from the right end. What is the new position of Sohan from the left end? So find the new position of Sohan from the left end. So in this question, first find the total. So first find the total number of students in this row. So formula is left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. So left position and right position of the same person. So Mohan left position and Mohan right position are given. So here left position of Mohan is 25 plus right position of Mohan is 22 minus 1. 25 plus 22, it means 47. 47 minus 1, it means 46. So there are total 46 students in this row. Now find the Sohan position from the left. So formula is total minus position of Sohan from the right plus 1. So total student. So number of total student is equals to 46 minus position of Sohan from the right is 10 plus 1. So 46 minus 10, it means 36 plus 1. So 37. So new position of Sohan from the left end is 37. So it means option C is the correct answer of this question. So next question is question number 57. Pariniti ranked 17 from the top and 28 from the bottom among those who made it to the final round of Miss India contest. 14 girls failed in the previous round. How many girls enrolled in the contest? So according to question, Pariniti rank in the final round from the top is 17 and Pariniti rank from the bottom is 28 in the final round. So find the total girls. Find the total girls in the final round. Find the total girls in the final round. So formula is top position plus bottom position of the same person minus 1. So top position of Pariniti is 17 plus bottom position of the Pariniti is 28 minus 1. 17 plus 28, it means 45. 45 minus 1. So 44. So there are 44 girls in the final round of the Miss India contest. Now, find the total girls who enrolled in this contest. So, find the total girls who enrolled in this contest. So, 44 girls in the final round plus 14 girls in the previous round. So 44 plus 14, it means 58. So there are 58 girls who enrolled in this contest. So answer is option D. So here correct answer is option D. Now let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 58 and 59. In the following question, you have to visualize the image of the item figure in the voter image. Choose the voter image from the alternatives. So find the voter image of this figure. So find the voter image of the given figure. So voter image of the given figure look like as follows. This part is near to the voter, so it will remains near the voter in the voter image. So first find the voter image of this part. So voter image of this part look like as follows. Now find the voter image of this part. So voter image of this part look like as follows. And now find the voter image of this part, because this part is away from the voter, so it will remains away from the voter in the voter image. So voter image of this figure look like as follows. So it means option B is the correct voter image of the given figure. So option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 59. Also find the voter image of the given figure. So find the voter image of the given figure. Voter image of this figure look like as follows. So it means option C is the correct voter image of the given figure. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 60. A sheet has been folded in the manner as shown in X, Y, Z respectively and punched. You have to choose from the alternative how it will look when unfolded. Find the unfolded figure of the given figure Z. Given figure Z. In this question, this arrow shows the folding direction of the paper. folding direction of the paper. So first we folded X. We folded X, then we got Y. Now we folded Y, then we got Z. Then we got Z. Now unfold the paper. So unfold the paper in the same sequence in which it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So first unfold the Z. It's represent Y. Unfold the Z. It's represent Y. Now unfold the Y. It's represent X. It's represent X, and find the image of X because X represents unfolded paper. So first find the mirror image of Z because it's represent Y. It's represent Y. Now unfold the Y. Unfold the Y. It's represent X. So find the mirror image of the Y. So mirror image of the Y look like as follows. It's represent X and X represent unfolded paper. So here option A is the correct unfolded paper of the given figure. So option A is the correct answer of this question. Thank you.